Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked yesterday about the new filters and the new rules for Gmail that will actually increase the blocking of spam. And I've had a lot of people, by the way, talk about it. Some of you were saying you're getting a lot of spam out of Gmail. I don't, everything goes in the spam folder, which is, for me, great. The spam folder is there for that, as long as it doesn't go into my main email box, the inbox. It's okay. So one thing that is happening today that we're learning, and this is typical Google versus Microsoft going at it, is that these new rules seem to be impacting the Outlook.com mail. So if you're using an Outlook.com mail service for your emails and you send to somebody that uses a Gmail, and I've tested mine, I have an Outlook account, and I sent an email and my email went through, so it seems that it works for me, but maybe there's specific circumstances. You might actually get back an email in your Outlook inbox that says that because of suspicious activity, your email cannot be sent or was not sent to the Gmail address. So Microsoft says that, they share a workaround, but Google clearly said Microsoft needs to get its act done and to make sure that the rules of their own Outlook are authenticated and work fine. The thing is, it's known that a lot of emails are sending bulk messages because they might have been stolen. For example, you might lose the access to your Outlook if you're not careful with your security, with your password and all of that. And we know that these boxes are then used for spam. So probably something happened, and if you send bulk emails from Outlook.com, it doesn't look good for Gmail. So if that happens, apparently either Microsoft will be doing some changes, or they have a workaround where they tell you to just add a new, kind of not a new account, but like a new user name if you want. That will change that. But anyways, it's because of the new rules, and probably affects mostly people that send bulk messages. So if you have that problem, it's known as apparently it happens enough that it made the tech news today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.